Welcome students of the exam classes VWO. Welcome to this shorter video about the history exam of 2025. Yeah, and we're going to look at question 16. We have to use a source, so that in a few seconds. De vraag is the following. In de Eerste Wereldoorlog was er sprake van een totale oorlog. Geef 2 argumenten om dit aan te tonen. So give 2 arguments to prove that the First World War was a total war. And a little bit of nuance. Before the First World War, it was mainly professional soldiers who were involved in the war. So in countries like Germany, but also in Great Britain, you had professional soldiers who were paid to wage the war. And the citizens were not much involved, actually. Let's look at this picture. You see here a worker, un obrero. You see here a piece of text, and you see some medals over here. And you see a text: aluminum, copper, messing, nickel, tin. There's enough of that in the country. Give it to us. The army needs it. Yeah, but don't worry, because in the test there will also be a translation always at the bottom of a poster, propaganda poster, or a spot print, or another kind of picture. There will be a subtitle that you can read, where there's a translation that you can find. You also see a worker. Yeah, you recognize him because he's muscular, he's manly, he has worker's clothing. So because of his clothing, because he's a man and he has big muscles, you can recognize that's actually a worker. And thirdly, he's bringing his medal to the army because the army needs it. Das hier braucht es, in my best German. The army needs it, so he's donating his medal to the army. That's what you see here. You have to know there was a lot of scarcity in Germany because of the blockade of the harbors. In Dutch, that's schaarste. So the harbors of Germany were blocked during the First World War. That's why the factories that produced arms, weapons, and ammunition, and so on, had scarcity of natural resources like metals. The answer, in Dutch. Er wordt een beroep gedaan op de gehele bevolking om metalen in te zamelen. So the whole population is asked to hand in metals. And because of the war, door de oorlog, was er schaarste ontstaan aan grondstoffen. Schaarste is a very important word. It means scarsidad in papiamento. Scarsidad. It means they didn't have enough metals and the workers had to hand in their metals. I hope this was a very helpful video.